What's up?
Hey yo, we going to Japan.
Yeah.
We're going to Japan. Just landed in Tokyo. It was like a 12-hour flight. I slept like 11 hours of it. We all slept a lot, except for Grace and Scotty. They're over there now. Now we are getting on the next flight to go see Fukuoka, where Grace served her mission. Hi everyone! Now we're getting on the bullet train!
Hey everyone, now we're going on the bullet train!
It's gonna go like 300 miles per hour.
It's gonna go like 200.
Oh, 200?
Hey guys!
The outside of the church. So cute.
Hey, where?
Grace, how do you feel?
And we should get one with everyone.
She feels deja vu.
Awesome!
Baby bread store. These are what we got. We got all these breads. Gas station time. Well, it's not really a gas station, it's just a store here.
Mochi
I got
time!
this. Emily got this mochi. It's so good. Then she also got this like peach drink soda thingy. And then I got like a mega Kit Kat. Yeah. Good food here. Okay, now we're in a grocery store. Basically, we just ate it all day. But everything is so cool. Oh, I meant eaten. Guys, don't even worry. I have good grammar. But look at all this food. And it's now at a pretty park.
We could just walk like around.
Beautiful. Yo, yo. Had dinner and now we're in this truck. All these arcades. Hiroshima. Freaking cold out. Cold randomly here. The ramen aisle. Look how much ramen they have. It's all just ramen. So we might buy some and try it. This one looks like great top ramen, I feel like. Oh my, why do these look so good right now? These are all the desserts. These mochi things, I'm gonna just try them. They're so good. They have like ice cream inside. Honestly, all this stuff looks amazing. What the heck, guys? We're about to eat. Boy, boss. We about to get some good food. It's so good, guys. What do you rate it?
Give us a taste test.
Oh, thank you. I don't know. I guess I'll just put it on. I don't really know any of this is. Did you take pictures?
Who wants mayonnaise?
I hope so. Really hot. Guys, it's actually delicious. I actually really like it. Yeah. Come got here. Say hi. So, day 3 of Japan. We're trekking up to this temple. We're really excited.
We're a little tired, but we're still trekking.
Yeah, and I honestly feel really sick. I just ate so much food. But other than that, good. Nice one. We are now at this place, this temple. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Emily. You're so nice.
Wait, we're taking a picture.
Show your face. Ask me what my name is. What's your name? Ask me what my name is. What's your name? You can't say that on camera. Hey yo, there's an E, but this is possible. This is so sick.
Hi everyone. Today we're in the Bamboo Forest.
Hey
guys.
We just hiked for this. Was it worth it? I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. Don't step on this sacred stone. Make a wish. Yeah. I'm just a vlogger. You know who
It's
I
funny because it
am.
looks like it's not even like on.
All these little shops are so cute.
Pay attention.
This is what the scriptures look like. We're entering day 6, I think. Today we went to a temple in Tokyo, and Grace got new garments. Yay!
Panther.
What?
We're in this museum. So cool. Wow! 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 Trippy or what? Oh my, I can't see anything. I actually can't see anything. What the heck? Who is that? You can walk through this stuff. I'm sorry, sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're about to feast. We're about to feast. I'm
we
so
have a
excited.
present.
We just got a present from you guys. Bye.
What is it?
Oh, bossy, demolished every
Then put it back?
yeah, sorry, every single thing.
Ellen, I hope you ever mine doesn't have any.
Hey, so I forgot my camera today, so we're vlogging on
mine.
Brigham's camera.
Hey yo!
Today we are going to Nara, where the deer will bow to us, and we're so excited.
We're so excited.
This is day 4 of the trip.
Day 4, baby, let's go. Right now we're just in this square.
So lit.
So lit. It's a cool building behind us. This is cool too. We like that.
Train.
Just got off the train, and anyways, we'll let you know when we get to the deer. Peace out, squad. All right, here's today's fit check.
So here's today's fit. So I got this pink shirt on it. It's like giving Japan vibes. Pants, these shoes.
Brown docs, killing it. New video. Here's Kirsten's fit. A Zara jacket.
Aritzia shirt
Aritzia shirt. White jeans.
Hotel jeans, Docs.
Docs. Cute little Prada bag. Prada. Ellen looks so cute in her pink shirt.
Okay, we made it to this place. It's so pretty. Today we're with the deer. Give me one. Ellen, give me one.
Hey.
Okay.
Ellen goes into vlog mode. Hey vlog, today we're with the deer.
Nibble, nibble, nibble. Guys, oh, they don't like these.
Okay, hey.
Give me some. Here I am. Okay.
So, Ellen, how would you rate your experience with these deer? With this
I mean,
deer?
one bit me.
Bet you?
A little bite mark. But other than that, I like these deer. They're pretty kind. They don't really like the snacks I give
Hello,
them.
deer.
But other than that, they're so fun. It's like 8 out of 10 experience. Oh yeah, he's still bowing. Or she, sorry. Hey vlog, what's up? So today we're at this, I don't know what it's quite called. It's so sick. And then there's a bunch of cherry blossoms all around the gate. It's giving like, I don't know, just walk with me. Look at this tree up close. Okay, stop, Protzy. Protzy? What am I saying?
Day in Japan! Today we're at Disneyland! Well, Disney Sea. So warm.
My Elsa's castle. Ow! Oh my! Guys, this is so cute. And then Mickey's over there. This is like, wow. Day 9. This is our final day. We're leaving in a couple hours, but right now we're going on a boat and we're by all these cherry blossoms.
Taylor shows in one of those